chop your finger off. Or do. Make a video.
That'd make a good video.
I got the necessities. This is another edition of We're Cooking with Lyle, home edition. Today we're gonna cook a little recipe for you. It's kind of like my twist on the Cuban sandwich. Antelope season's coming up. If you don't know me, I like antelope. I like them for a lot of reasons. One, they're fun to hunt. They're hard to hunt, but my favorite reason to hunt them is they taste awesome. So today we're gonna make a little, like I said, Cuban panini style sandwich riff on that. I got my buddy Corey here from Burch Barrel. You see him a little bit super skinny. Don't say anything to him about it. He should probably eat more, but we'll work on that today. So anyway, we're gonna get this thing going. This is, I just got this. It's kind of fun. This is called a Burch Barrel. So you can like cook on it. You can roast marshmallows on it. You can do just about anything on it. So we're gonna give it a try today and see how she goes. So let's fucking do it. Also, I have many exotic pets. This is my dog. This is a t-shirt that doesn't go there. This is my dog. Hey, this is Jessie. She's a highly trained killer. And this is the world famous Frost dog. He's just a good boy. Right there. Just a good boy. So I normally keep the tigers out back and the pets right here. Those are some good boys. Good girl. This is a piece of deck. You shouldn't eat this. This is deck. It's Lyle style, bro.
This is Lyle style.
That's the way to do it.
Awkwardly Lyle style.
I want you to be careful though. Don't make any sudden movements. My dog will attack you. So these are some antelope steaks that I took last night and I hammered them with a little tenderizer. Get them kind of thin. So you want our meat to be thin. And then I marinated them in some tomato, or not tomato, that'd be weird. I marinated in some orange juice and some lime juice, some cumin, a couple of cloves in there. Give it kind of an interesting flavor.
Yeah.
And some garlic, salt and pepper, and then just some chopped up garlic, about one garlic minced in there.
Gotcha.
Put that in there overnight. This is gonna be, it's like Thor's hammer. Is it what you expected? You thought it was gonna be bigger, didn't you? Look at that though.
It looks mean.
You can mess some stuff up. So this is a pro tip. If you want to hammer on something, sometimes it gets messy. But if you take it, oh look how nice and thin that is. You wrap it in some plastic, then you can hammer on it. No mess. Look at that. That's a pro tip. So the key, since this is going to go on a sandwich and you want it to be nice and tender while you're eating it, is you got to get it thin. So these are pretty thin, we can make them a little thinner. Sweet! Little flavor on that one.
This was in what did you say?
This is
Orange.
Yeah, orange and lime juice.
Lime juice.
Yeah, and then some
What is
cumin.
that? What is it when you use fish and you
Ceviche.
add like ceviche?
Yeah.
I mean that's considered ceviche, right?
You probably can eat that. Right?
Nice. Smash the pickles. How are the pickles? Are they just lengthwise sliced?
Slice, yeah, thin.
Gotcha.
Because you don't like this isn't a chunky pickle sandwich. This is just pickle sandwich.
Thank you, Alex Tenenbaum, for the pickles.
Want me to slice those?
You were just what?
Done. Next thing.
Nice thing.
Oh, look at that technique. Hold on.
You want to try some?
Oh, it's good. A little spice to it.
Yeah, it's spicy. Is that what we're shooting for?
That's fine.
Is that
That'll
going
be
to go
fine.
with the marinade?
It'll be great.
We could use the other pickles if you want to.
No, that's good. Oh, you guys ever do that? Just drink the pickle juice?
It's
do
supposed
that.
to be all energetic.
Yeah, like runners drink pickle juice.
Yeah.
So, this is delicious. What are you doing? What's wrong with your hat?
I don't like this hat. I don't know why I even wear it.
Yeah.
This comes out.
Just want to let that statement about the hat is no reflection about the quality of Vortex products and their lifetime warranty or anything.
Is it funny that that was the first thing I looked at was what brand hat it was?
The problem is this is an adult hat on a small child.
Yeah.
So,
I don't think it's big on me.
look
It
at,
is though.
look at this. Put an
Yeah.
entire beer can in there. Oh, Corey, this is gonna be so good.
Bacon?
Bacon. I like to go with apple smoked, thick cut Daly's bacon. I'm pretty sure that this, if I'm not mistaken, hold on, wait for it. Oh, never mind. I swear, didn't they used to make Daly's bacon in Missoula?
Somebody told me that it came from Missoula, yes. But
Straight up lies. Straight on the old grill here.
yeah, I don't know what you cooked on it last time, but just go for it. Just do it. It's
Don't do
flavor.
that.
I'm sorry. Just do it. We're gonna get a little bit of a grease fire, but it's healthy. It's all contained.
My life is a grease fire, Corey.
Your life is a grease fire?
Sure.
Can you explain that to me?
Just, you know.
Just
Always-
delicious? Just
always-
always delicious?
always
Is
something
that,
going on, man.
or
It's a grease fire, not a dumpster fire. I think that's a big difference. Oh yeah, that's my private jet coming in right now. Pick me up. I'm so wealthy. Nice.
you call this 2-minute bacon?
Woo-wee. Woo. We cooking now.
There you go.
Oh, more beautiful. All grilled up, super quick, nice fast process. Let that fire die down just a skosh, and then we're gonna go on ahead and grill this up real quick. That'll cook super fast, super thin. And then from there, we're gonna go on ahead and we're gonna make our Cuban sandwiches. And so we'll get all that ready, and I'll show you how to make an improvised kind of panini press, which I don't own because that's a weird word. I don't want one. Ooh, look at that one. That's the one right here.
That's money right there. Oh, like wild game, you don't want this well done, do you?
No, medium rare is perfect. You want to try a piece, Haley?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your favorite thing to eat?
Meat.
Meat. That's right. All right. So now we're gonna build our sandwiches. So you can do this with like true Cuban bread, but I don't know how to bake that. My grocery store did not have that, so we're gonna go with a little bit of the old sourdough bread, which is quite often delicious. So what we're gonna do, take a couple pieces of bacon. We're going to chop those in half, like so. We're gonna go bacon, bacon,
Wait, Dad, we have two of the same
bacon. A little slice of cheese. You can really do cheese of your choice. I think Cubans are typically Swiss. We're gonna go a little provolone here. Same kind of color generally. So we're gonna put that on there. Now we're gonna take our piece of antelope and get that on there. Now we're gonna go with some pickles. Oh wait, hold on. I gotta butter this. Dang it. Got ahead of myself, Corey.
Well, the sun has melted the butter for us, so
That's perfect.
it might be a little bit easier.
Yeah.
Just do this.
Oh, that's perfect. So when you're in the sun, you can just melt your butter naturally, and you'll be good. Okay, so we're just gonna move this over. Pretend like that went the way we want it to go.
Okay.
Through the art of editing, that will go away. Okay. Okay, and then I like to go a little more bacon on top of that, and then go with another half piece of cheese on top. And the thing about the Cuban that's awesome is you gotta have that mustard. That's what gives that bite. So I got that fancy mustard, Heinz 87 mustard.
Why not French's?
Because it's just that classic white mustard.
Why not Beaver brand, dude?
I do like the Beaver brand mustard. That is good mustard. All right.
Oh, these are hot.
Okay.
I'm just gonna let you know. I hope
Okay.
that's okay. Do we want them this hot?
It might be a little hot. Let's pull them off for
Alright.
just a skosh.
Under your foot.
So this is where we go full on homemade panini press. And Corey's gonna take that, smash it on there. Oh yeah.
Just put your hand, press down.
Just I'll push right
Yeah,
down
just
on
press right down. Ooh, that sounds good though.
Hear
That's
that
a good,
sizzling?
yeah.
I think that's a good
That's
sign.
a good sign.
That's gonna be good. How you thinking? Oh, yeah, we're getting there.
We're getting there.
Maybe
Should we
do a
heat it
flip?
up a little bit or flip it?
Let's do a flip.
Yeah.
I believe it.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be good.
Maybe a little more butter next time on the next
Yeah.
one. Yeah,
Butter it up a
we'll
little
butter
more.
the pan up more.
I wanted a little too big of a
Whoa,
picking
hey.
spree.
Does Mom know you're picking her carrots?
Fine.
Oh no.
No.
She doesn't care though. It's like
On
a
three,
jumble of
rock,
carrots
paper,
over-
scissors,
I
shoot.
like that.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You get first bite.
Oh,
congratulations.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's money. Oh yeah.
That's what we're looking for.
Oh. Oh man. Give it a whirl.
I mean, we got enough, right?
Yeah, we'll do it.
See it to believe it.
Straight money.
I still have to come over here.
Yeah, I get that one.
Cool.
Oh yeah, look at that. Nice crispy bread. Antelope. Bacon. Mustard cheese. Oh, that was money. It's pretty high. You gotta wait.
I know.
Oh, delicious. Oh my. Wow.
Dad, I just thought of a different
That's good.
joke.
Camp Cuban?
Uh-huh. Make your tummy feel. Make you tingly?
Got a chew in my mouth open. Oh man.
Make you tingly on the inside?
Sorry. It is supposed to be awkward, right? It just makes me happy, man. That's the best way that I can describe it.
It's pretty good. I wasn't sure how sourdough bread was gonna work like Cuban bread, but it's pretty legit.
Sourdough's good. I mean, you may have went a scotch high on the mustard.
It's good.
Dude, the more pickles, the better.
You think the pickles is the ticket?
I was wrong on the mustard. A little bit more mustard's better.
This
I
mustard.
apologize.
Something about that mustard and that pickle.
The mustard and the pickle.
Is that-
Those, it's like salt on a steak. You gotta add a little bit more than what you think.
Well, these are
I
like
was wrong.
salty, and that mustard's kind of tangy. It's like that salty tang.
Yeah,
Isn't that weird?
This is what you're supposed to do.
it's delicious. Good work.
They're the best. Antelope are delicious. If you're not hunting them, you're an idiot. Get after it.
All in all, man, I want to do this again.
Pretty good,
I'll
huh?
make this again.